forward. Yeah, nice. Nice, Bailey. How does that feel?
Great.
Yeah, it looks great. Good, don't let those hands drop. Yeah. Good, and when you're ready, go ahead and walk. Yeah, see if we can get him to just cover a little bit more ground. So more forward. There, that's better. Good. And stretch up a little bit taller with that upper body. Good. Good. And go. Good, so just look up. Even too much with that upper body. Making a huge deal about this, right? Be good.